How to budget for home repairs. Have you ever opened your wallet after a home repair and wondered, where am I supposed to come up with this money? Maybe your air conditioner quit during the hottest week of summer. Maybe your water heater started leaking. Or maybe your roof suddenly needed repairs after a storm. Here's the truth. Home repairs aren't a matter of if they'll happen, they're a matter of when. The good news? You don't need to panic every time something breaks. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a realistic home repair budget that protects your finances, reduces stress, and keeps your home in great condition without draining your savings. Let's get started. Most homeowners budget for their mortgage, property taxes, insurance, utilities, maybe even landscaping, but many completely forget about maintenance and repairs. That's one of the biggest financial mistakes a homeowner can make. Your house is constantly aging. HVAC systems eventually stop working. Ignoring these future expenses doesn't make them disappear. It simply guarantees they'll become financial emergencies later. Instead of reacting to repairs, prepare for them. One of the easiest budgeting methods is called the 1% rule. Take your home's value, multiply it by 1%. That's roughly what you should expect to spend annually on maintenance and repairs. For example, if your home is worth $300,000, plan to save about $3,000 every year. That works out to approximately $250 each month. Now remember, some years you may spend almost nothing. Other years, you'll replace a roof, install a new HVAC system, or repair major plumbing. The goal isn't to spend the money every year. The goal is to have it available when you need it. One of the smartest things you can do is create a dedicated home repair savings account. Not your vacation account, not your Christmas fund, not your general emergency fund, a completely separate account. Then automate monthly deposits. Even $50 a month is a great start. $100 is even better. If you own an older home, consider saving $200 to $300 every month. Small monthly contributions become thousands of dollars over time. When your furnace suddenly quits, you won't need to reach for a credit card. Some repairs are relatively inexpensive, others can completely wreck your budget. Here are the major expenses every homeowner should prepare for. Roof replacement, heating and air conditioning, water heater replacement, foundation repairs, electrical upgrades, plumbing repairs, window replacement, driveway replacement, deck repairs, fence replacement. Knowing these big ticket items helps you plan years in advance instead of reacting at the last minute. Here's something I've learned after decades of DIY home improvement. Small maintenance prevents expensive repairs. Changing your HVAC filter can help your system last years longer. Cleaning your gutters prevents water damage. Re-caulking windows keeps moisture out. Checking your roof after storms catches small problems before they become major leaks. Spending $20 today can save thousands tomorrow. That's one of the best returns on investment you'll ever make. Another way to dramatically reduce repair costs, learn basic DIY skills. You don't have to become a professional contractor, but learning simple repairs can save hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. Things like painting rooms, replacing faucets, installing light fixtures, repairing drywall, replacing door hardware, building simple shelves, installing weather stripping. These projects build confidence, increase your home's value, and keep more money in your pocket. One habit separates organized homeowners from stressed homeowners: a maintenance calendar. Schedule reminders for spring HVAC service, summer deck inspection, fall gutter cleaning, winter pipe protection, smoke detector batteries, water heater flushing, roof inspections, air filter changes. A calendar keeps small jobs from becoming expensive emergencies. Here's what I want you to remember. Homeownership isn't just about buying the house, it's about maintaining it. Budget a little every month, stay ahead of maintenance, learn DIY skills, plan for the unexpected. Because the homeowners who prepare financially enjoy their homes far more than those constantly surprised by repair bills. I hope today's video helps you feel more confident about planning for future home repairs. A little preparation today can save you thousands of dollars and a lot of stress down the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Conley's Home Improvement for practical DIY projects, money-saving home maintenance tips, and step-by-step tutorials designed to help homeowners build, repair, and improve their homes with confidence. I'd also love to hear from you. What's the most expensive home repair you've ever had to deal with? Share your experience in the comments. It might help another homeowner avoid the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project. Measure twice, cut once, work safely, and keep building. Conley's Home Improvement. Making your home look good one project at a time. How to budget for home repairs. Follow at Conleys-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following. Again, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video.